Hello and welcome back to Chainsaw Carving and DIY with Mark, me. I've ordered 6 magnetic tool holders, so I need to make 12 French cleats, so then we can put that on the wall that way around, connect the magnetic strip to there, that the opposite way around, so you've got the opposing 45-degree angles. So then once it's connected, I'll be able to just pick it up like that, put it on the wall like that. So 10 more French cleats to go. Nice tidy organised French cleat storage. So these pieces of wood that I'm using glued together to be skirts for my workbench, but I ended up using different wood to make the skirts, so I'm just going to make the French cleats out of these. Sort 45 degrees, about 1.5 inches there, so it should leave a flat 1.5 inch bit, and then 45-degree angle, so you've got space to screw and attach whatever you want to attach to your cleat. And we'll just change it back to 90. And then we're just going to make it so we're going to leave the same length, width, and a flat space there. So I'm just going to do that by eye. We want that flat space there, from there to the 0 mark. But obviously we're running the fence along that edge, so we need to leave the distance from there to there. So it's just a couple of millimetres out. Perfect. And readjust the blade height. So we're not hacking up our workbench. There's 4. I've cut them with the circular saw. The blade hasn't gone right through on the back pieces, so on the top edge of the wood it has gone all the way through, but we haven't cut loads of lines in the top of our worktop that we'll only have to keep fixing if we keep doing that. So it's just get your little hand plane, just take that edge off. Wasn't quite straight, so readjust it. It's better. I'm going against the grain actually. That's what's going on here. That's better. Just until you've took that edge off. Quick little one across the top. Sharp edges, points of triangles always break, so we always do that. Take a sliver off the top, and you can do that all the way around if you want. Just on the corners, take all your corners off. If you haven't got a plane, whatever you've got. So hopefully you've got a chisel if you haven't got a plane, and then do the same with your chisel. Nice and sharp your chisel. Keep it on flat on this on your angle, and then just gently push it through. A little bit of a knot. Take smaller bits off your knot, and then you're not going to split your wood, hopefully. There you go. It's probably easier with the chisel actually than the plane. It's hot today. Look at that. Sweaty. Hottest day so far in the UK. There we go. French cleats ready to be put together. Oh, actually, all I've got to do, which I'll probably just do quick time is cut them to 60 centimetres, because that's how big the magnetic strips are. That fits nicely on there. Lovely jubbly. So I've got just marked my little line 47 centimetres, because the magnetic strips are 46, not 60. Leave enough space there so that can pass over your triangle, your square. Yeah. Line up with your there we go, we've got a French cleat. Now is just attach this to there, but not that way round before I do it the wrong way around, because we want that to be gripping on the wall. So, put them there. Even-ish, you could measure it and all that lot. Little screw, I think they're 25mm screws. I've just found them out of my mixture of screws that I'll just throw in there when I take them out and stuff and keep them in there. So I haven't got any more of these, so I don't actually know the size they are. Tight enough. There we go. And then just do the same again with the next few, and then get the French cleats on the wall. So all I've done in the smaller bits of the French cleat that was left is drill and countersink. So just drilled the hole through, countersunk so we don't split the wood. All I'm going to do is put it there. So I find it's easier to get one screw in, and then once you've got your one screw in, then put your level on. So you've got like a pivot point, it's easier, isn't it? It's got to be easier. And then lock them in there. Opposing angles, there you go, tool holder. What I'm going to chuck on there now. These. So, brought these off Amazon, weren't too bad, but obviously every time I open it the box fires off, the catch fires off, boring to close. Organised. 16, 18, 15, now I can come in here and go, right, I need evens. All the even spanners are at the side, on the right hand side, all the odd spanners on the left hand side. That side, 10, 8. Then that can go in the bin, it's in my way. And then when you need them, you can just take them off there, put them down here, take them into the garden or to your car, wherever you're working on stuff. And you've got all your spanners. And when you finish with them, put them back on there. Tidy.